Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll tell you how to apply for other companies using your TCS NQT scorecard. So you just need to have only one TCS NQT scorecard and you can apply for unlimited jobs. And your NQT scorecard is valid for 2 years. And for that, your year of passing should be either 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, 2019 or 2018. And you can have any graduation degree. So you are apply for this. So how to do that? Once you'll click on the link which you will find in the description box. Link name is TCS Ion apply link. Okay, once you'll click on that, then you will be redirected to this page. This is the official website of TCS Ion. Here you need to click here login. Okay, once you'll click here login, then here you can see your name, or you can enter your email ID and password. Let me log in first. I'll click here login. Here you can see now this profile is looking differently before that. Here I can see my dashboard. I can click here jobs. Once I'll click here jobs, here I can find lot of jobs. Here there are a few jobs for which I'm eligible, and there are a lot of jobs for that I'm not eligible due to multiple reasons. So once click here, just suppose I'll click here. If I'll click here apply now, here you can see, click here, you can see it's saying you are not eligible for this job. Here you can see the details. Okay, uh, okay, click here. Now let's click here apply now, software engineer apply now. Here you can see now I'm eligible for this job. Here either I can upload my old resume, or I can upload my new resume. Suppose here I want to upload my old resume. Just click here save. Once I'll click here save, it's showing you have already registered. Okay, let's try with different job. Let's click here Java fresher. Once I'll click here, I need to just click here. I need to select my preferred location. Just suppose I want to select Bangalore. Okay, after that I need to click here save. Once I'll click here, then here you can see job applied successfully. Okay, so this is the update from my side. You can ask in comment box if you have any queries related to this. Now let's talk about very important thing. So in the last few days, you have been hearing about the re-level test, and some of you have registered for the test as well. Thousands of you told me that you didn't register because of multiple reasons. I have some exciting news for every one of you. Re-level has launched two new tests in the domain of business analyst roles and data analyst roles. They have some amazing companies on board with packages up to 22 LPA. Sign up on the platform today and check out all the companies like Cred, Upgrade, Razorpay, Yatra, etc. hiring from Relevel. You can even try out for free sample papers to access your skills for the test. You just need 150 marks in the first phase to qualify for the second phase. After this second phase, a 700 plus marks, or you can say 700 plus score, lands you with interviews, job opportunities, and some amazing re-level swags. Re-level tests are free of cost with no hidden charges. Once you qualify the re-level test, you have access to 1000 plus jobs across top companies. They guarantee packages of more than 4 LP for non-tech roles and 6 LP for tech roles. There is no age or experience limit for eligibility. If you are 18 plus, or you can attempt the re-level test to get a 50 plus percent hike for your next job in the best product based company. So your search for finding the right job ends here. Now you can register for the re-level test in just 5 steps. Step 1 is sign up for relevel.com. I'll provide link in the description box, no need to worry. After that, you need to select your choose your test, business development, business backend development, front end development, or analyst role or data analyst role. Okay, business analyst or data analyst. After that, book a slot when you want to give the re-level test. Slots are limited, so I suggest you to book it fast. create a neat video resume. You need to create a resume, video resume. Okay, you can talk about yourself, your experience, or your career aspirations, and the video resume should be submitted within 24 hours after selecting the slot to confirm the slot. After that, click submit and confirm your slots for the test. Now all the slots of the test will be completed in a single day. Okay, so once you qualify the re-level test based on the score, you will get create amazing resume, re-level profile, which will then be shared with companies for further process. Sit back and relax. Companies will reach out to you based on your profile. The better your re-level score, the more companies will reach out to you. And one more important thing, all the rounds of the test will be completed in a single day, and after that you will get your scorecards after giving your exam. So if you are someone who did not hear about re-level, here are few benefits to participate in re-level test. First one is over 50 plus companies including top startups and unicorns like Cred, Upgrade, Razorpay, Urban Company, and many more are hiring through re-level. After that, second point is 1,000 plus job positions across business development, front end development, back end development, business analyst, data analyst. And this test is completely online and can be taken from comfort of your home. The best part of that, you can take this test for free. Finish your test in a single day of your choice to get your re-level score. Once you clear the test with the qualifying score, you will be able to create an amazing candidate profile that will help you showcase your skills and stand out from the crowd. And something that stands out is always noticed by the company. To get the re-level profile, the candidate has to score more than 700 in the test, which will be the qualifying criteria. The candidates can retake the test after 30 days if they didn't meet the qualifying criteria. Also, candidates will be rewarded with exciting goodies like MacBook, iPhone, and many more for the highest rank holders in the re-level test. So this is very important. Now let me show the our re-level achievers. Here you can see this is the Twitter page of re-level achievers. Here you can see there are a lot of re-level achievers. This is Tanishq Singh. He scored 874 marks in the re-level out of 1,000, and he got offer in backend engineer role. Here you can see this is Anubhav. Here lot of things. I'll put link in the description box of this Twitter page also. Okay, here you can see about all the toppers. Now let me tell you about re-level. There are a lot of companies: Cred, Meesho, Upgrade, Scap. Lot of companies. They are the top companies which are hiring from re-level test. So if you want to work in these companies, take the re-level test today. Okay, yeah. Now let me tell you how to register for this. So this is the website, re-level website. I'll put link in the description box how to apply. Now here, click here, get hired. Once you click here, get hired, after that you can choose your any dream job like business development, front end, back end, business analyst, and data analyst. Like let's click here, data analyst test. After that, what you need to do, you just need to click here, book your free slots. Once you click here, book free slot, you need to enter your mobile number, then you will receive an OTP, then click choose your time slot. After that, submit your video resume. That's done. Okay, so while filling the form, if you face any difficulties, please feel free to ask in comment box. And you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in the description box. And if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.